Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Today, we will learn how to type Gujarati with easy method. For that, simply go to Google, type easy Gujarati typing, and you will have easygujaratytyping.com website in front of you. After clicking on that link, this interface will come in front of you where you can prepare your Gujarati sentence. So, simply what you have to do is you have to type like how you are typing in a message language. For example, I want to convey how are you. So, how are you is equals kem cho in Gujarati. So, what I'll do is I'll simply type KEMCHO for Kemcho, and you will see my sentence will be ready. Same way, I want to convey my name. My name is Nirav. So, my name is Nirav is equals in Gujarati, Maru Naam Nirav Che. So, what I'll do is I'll simply type my name like how I'm typing in message language, and you'll see my sentence will be ready. So, guys, to understand this tool and to have more sentences in terms of exercise, I'm going to prepare a detailed video. So kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, and tomorrow I'll come up with full video on this.